12:23, and it is cooling down. A cold front is moving in. Not a really strong front, but one that's strong enough to get through here with a drop in temperatures. So we'll be in the 60s, falling into the 60s most of this afternoon. Showers around, but nothing heavy, just mainly drizzle and sprinkles. Probably nothing that will get you very wet if you're outside today. Just, kind of just get a little sprinkle now and then. May stay cool for Thanksgiving. I put a little uncertainty in there because the model's been flip-flopping around exactly where the position of the front will kind of end up and then drift northward on Thanksgiving. Remember a couple of days ago we were showing you it looked like the front may stall out somewhere right over the valley, then blow northward again, but it looks like it might make it just offshore and then may take its time to get back through the valley. So it could still be kind of cool on Thanksgiving, but then getting warmer Friday and Saturday. In fact, Saturday maybe getting close to some record highs in the valley before the next front comes in and cools off again. Temperatures right now in the 60s in the upper valley, 69 in Edinburgh, 70 in Harlingen in the front, kind of right near Brownsville right now, still 79 in Brownsville, but I drew the front as being stationary. I guess it's technically moving, but kind of slowing up as it moves a little bit farther to the southeast gradually. We see the wind flow where the winds are picking up a little bit, not windy, but a little breeze blowing. That's where the front's already passed through. The little arrows indicate the north winds, but you see 16 miles per hour in Harlingen, 14 in Edinburgh. And we should see this breeze around 10 to 20 miles per hour most of this afternoon, then decreasing later tonight. Satellite radar shows a lot of clouds spreading through, but hardly any rain out there. Once in a while we get a little bit of drizzle or sprinkles showing up, but there's not much coming down. So our holiday weather, run, turkey, run. I'm going to eat you. It's a turkey day for you if you want to fix Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow. It probably will be cloudy. I'm willing to bet that now it's looking cloudier than before. The clouds may stick around most of the day. A few light rain showers and sprinkles through tonight and early tomorrow morning. I think the afternoon probably dry if you're going to be trying to eat outside or clean up afterwards and get outside to, run off some of those calories. Rainfall amounts, so under 1/10 of an inch today and tomorrow combined. I mean, there's barely any rain out there, just sprinkles mainly. And we still say mainly dry on Black Friday. There may be enough moisture around in the morning for like a little sprinkle or some mist in the air just because there'll be a lot of humidity pouring back in. But in general, it does look like Black Friday, especially during the day, will be getting warmer and should be mainly dry. Now, on Futuretrack, again, the front near Brownsville this afternoon kind of just drifts along the rest of the day toward the coast, but a few sprinkles or light rain showers near the front mainly, but just a lot of clouds most of the time. By tonight, still clouds and sprinkles out there, and then tomorrow the clouds around all day again, at least through the morning and early afternoon hours before maybe a few breaks. But you see, Futuretrack is keeping the clouds around, and with the front maybe near or just offshore, it may be hard to really warm up much tomorrow. Some of the models are all over the place. If the front moves a little bit to the north, you may see temperatures get back to near 80 right along the coast, but I think a lot of areas now may stay in the 60s or 70s just because of too many clouds tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, again, with increase in the moisture, maybe a sprinkle overnight for Black Friday shopping or a very light shower, but during the daytime on Friday, it gets a little windy, warmer, the clouds start to break up, and temperatures could maybe be back around 80 or higher again. So here we are again with Futuretrack Temperatures. Just want to show you how it plays out the rest of this afternoon and tonight. 60s over most of the valley, the warm weather kind of being pushed away a little bit, and then notice tomorrow morning we're in the 60s, but we may not warm up much, maybe into the 70s at best in most areas, but there's still a chance that we could stay in the 60s in parts of the valley most of the day. So first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Cooler today and may stay kind of cool tomorrow in the 70s. I mean, not cold, but maybe even some spots around 65 to 70 during the daytime hours. Friday, it gets warmer, windy, a high of 84. Then it gets hot on Saturday. Could hit 90 degrees, maybe around some record highs. There's another cold front coming in. Only small chances of a light rain shower or two Saturday night and Sunday morning. But then we drop the humidity and temperatures. Highs in the 70s with nice weather to finish the weekend on Sunday going into Monday, and mainly dry conditions early next week. We'll keep tracking your holiday weekend weather and travel forecast coming up here on Channel 5 News at noon.